Can you imagine wars without soldiers, where machines decide who lives and who dies? Welcome to Glimpse Pro. Today, we're diving into one of the most dangerous questions of our time. Artificial intelligence in warfare. Are we heading toward a dark future? What role does AI play in modern warfare? AI is no longer just a supporting tool, it's making independent decisions on the battlefield. From autonomous drones to predictive algorithms, war is becoming a data-driven game of intelligence, not just firepower. In short, AI is becoming the soldier that never sleeps. But is this a blessing or a curse? Let's shift perspective and explore the darker side of this rapid advancement. Ethical and humanitarian dilemmas. Technology has no conscience. What if an AI-controlled drone misidentifies a target? Who's accountable when algorithms decide who lives or dies? That's the real danger, trusting machines with life and death decisions. AI weapons, the new arms race. Superpowers are pouring billions into AI warfare. This isn't just about defense, it's about dominance. Are we witnessing the beginning of a new arms race that's smarter, faster, and far more dangerous? The future of AI-powered wars, sci-fi or reality, autonomous snipers, robot soldiers, drones that think. It sounds like science fiction, but it's already happening. So, who's really in control? Us or the tech we created? Final thoughts. Artificial intelligence in warfare is a double-edged sword. Used wisely, it can save lives. But left unchecked, it could become one of humanity's greatest threats. So, are we building a smarter future or digging our own grave? Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Glimpse Pro for more deep and daring insights. And let us know in the comments, do you support AI in warfare or do you see it as a threat to humanity?